Hey everyone, this is Team 2343 with our Sprint 3 video demo. This week we worked on three main components for our app, which is the homepage UI, which is one, the tutorial UI, which is the second big one, and the third big one is integrating 3D models, importing it using 3JS into our app, and making it work inside our app. I'm Shub, and I'm going to start us off with the homepage UI updates. And yeah, so pretty much, as you can see, we have a whole modern look for the homepage UI with the header that's easy to navigate, easy to browse, and the different labs with the different applets, whether that be tutorials, simulations to browse through. We have the description on the side, which is easy to see, big enough, with the whole animation going on. Same with the simulation. And yeah, it's pretty easy to navigate, and it's a whole modern look. And now I'm going to pass it over to Noah, who's going to press start and get into the tutorial aspect.
Hi, my name is Noah, and I'll be going through the tutorial section for our application. You can see here that to the left we have a new expandable menu with a home, about, and contact buttons. And the first few sections of the tutorial are more information for the user to learn. So we're going through those here. Okay. And based on the information we learned, we will actually have an input question over here. So let's put an answer. All right, I'm correct. So moving on. And we also have multiple choice style questions where we get the feedback for our incorrect answer over here. So based on that feedback, I'll pick the right one. There we go. This is more information for our user. Okay, more multiple choice. Going through those now. More multiple choice. More multiple choice. I'm incorrect. I read the feedback, so I picked the right answer. Okay. Going through this again. Okay. Okay, so our final slide on the tutorial tells us congratulations, and it tells us the tutorial that we completed as well as our score, 5 out of 9. That's not great, so we have the options to go home or to start over. I want to start over, so I click the start over button, and I can access the home screen by just clicking on the home button over here. All right, that concludes the tutorial section. I will now pass it off to Kevin and Cole, who will talk about the 3D model imports.
All right, and last but not least, we'll be walking you through the new 3D simulation environments. Together, the student can click on any of these simulation applets and click Start. In the environment, they can click on the screen to enter the simulation. Here, they can move around using their WASD keys or the arrow keys on their keyboard. They can also move up and down using the Q and E buttons. If the student wishes to move slower to get a closer view, they can hold down Shift while moving to move at a slower speed.
Thank you, Kevin. And regarding interactions with the model, the user can click the lid to both open and close it, as well as click the power switch on the left side of the model to turn the machine on and off. The user stories we've completed through these features are as follows. As a student, I want to be able to interact with the 3D environment as I would with physical equipment so I can properly learn how to use the equipment. And then, as a student/professor, I want the virtual space to be easily maneuvered and intuitive so I can quickly become adjusted to working in an online lab space. And finally, as a student, I want to see the machine from multiple angles to learn where important buttons and switches are. And that concludes our Sprint 3 demo video. Thank you for watching.